Okay, we got one more jar. Okay, Jerry, my donkey, he's going to hang out up here in the corner if you don't mind. And his little buddy. If you don't know what these are, go check out the video. Oh, I didn't realize my little buddy's missing. Oh! You think that bucket went on there? No. Not this bucket, but I think there were 2 buckets that went on the end right there. Huh, interesting. Fine, don't stand up, I don't care. All right, let's look at this one. Right off the bat, that's not good. Those are cheap. Just cheap pony beads. Let's keep going. Might be some gems. Okay, that's a cool dangle. I call these dangles. Don't ask me, I just do. Ooh, that's a brooch. That's nice. Another dangle. Okay. Worn out hoop earring. Ooh, it's a heart. We'll keep that. I do these heart bracelets that are very popular, and I'm out of hearts. It's a clip-on earring. We like her. 2 more hoop earrings, also a no-go. A button that looks, oh, it's not taped. It looks like it was taped, but oh, that's not a button, that's an earring. Jeez. Another watch. I will not keep this one because it was digital. I have no use for that. Oh, weird. These beads are weird. You would think that they are heavy, but they're super light. So obviously they're plastic. Then we've got this shell necklace. I'm not keeping this either. I don't do this. I don't like it. I just don't do that. Huh. This was something. I don't know what that did. Anybody know what that did? Comment? Tell me, please. Oh, here's another old piece. I'll keep that. So these beads right here are the reason that I took this jar, because I could not tell if they were plastic or if they were bone or what. They are plastic, so they're cheapies, but I like them anyway. I think they're neat. I will 100% clean these and keep them. I clean everything, folks, so don't you worry about it. And all my beads, there they go. They're going to go down to that end of the, and my beads travel to the middle. All right. What do we got? Okay, so this is a necklace. I like it because I can repurpose this. This would make a few great bracelets, and then I can add some charms and put them with some of my other bracelets that I make. So that would be nice. Nope, I'm not keeping this. These are just cheap disco ball beads, and I have no use for them. Ooh, here's some littles. Okay, so the reason that I'm going to hang on to this, I'm going to harvest these little dangles off of there. There's some in white, brown. I saw one in green. Oh, it also has a nice lobster clasp, so I'm going to harvest the clasp on it. If you can see it, there we go. Yeah. So there's 2 of these in here. I know what this is. Do you know what this is? Look, do you know what these are? It's a hook on it. There's 2 of them. Any guess? So these go on the end of a table, and then you hook your purse onto it so that you don't have to sit your purse on the floor. I know. Crazy. What are they going to come up with next? Okay, a little heart. We'll keep that. A double hole bead. I don't do double hole beads. Aw, this is cute. I'll keep that. That can go on one of my collage pieces. Let's see. I can get these untangled. I'll keep this. Sorry, I'm going too fast. Let me slow down. I'm going to keep this necklace, harvest those beads. Then I've got this necklace. I really love it as is. However, it's too long. So I am probably going to take this apart and redo it a little bit shorter and add maybe some zhuzh to it, but I'll keep that. Let's see. This is pink necklace with tiny little seed beads. I will not use that. Ooh, clip-on earring. It's very sparkly. I will put this with in my box where I harvest these little gems. I will harvest said gems. Ooh, this one's heavy. So these are stone. These are some stone beads. Those are neat. Those would clean up really nice. So I'll keep those. Here's another necklace. I will also keep it for the beads. Love that. Pearl necklace. These are obviously faux pearl, but these are very lightweight. They're very, very cheap. These are plastic. I don't really use those. Oh, okay. So do we know what I'm going to do with this? We're going to put this in. I have a box that I put things in that have all these little gems here, and then I fix the ones that are missing them. So that'll work for that. Oh, then we have this weird thing here. Oh, it was an earring? Oh my God, there's two of them. Stop it. Oh, I gotta think long and hard about whether I'm gonna put these on and take a picture of myself, because look at those. Beads on a necklace. I will keep this and harvest the beads. Ooh, yep, here's the pair to this one. Where did I put the other one at? It's over here. Oh, there it is. Look. Come on. Those are going with the other ones. Those are awesome. What in neat. It's a rainbow. Ooh, what am I going to do with that? That's neat. Oh, we'll keep this and harvest the beads. Oh, here's another one. Definitely will harvest those. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I love the necklace. I love those beads. I will be harvesting those. This is so heavy. I cannot imagine that you would, I mean, it is so heavy. That's crazy. No wonder they got rid of it. There's two pair? Stop it. I love it. What? I didn't see another one of these. How sad. Oh my goodness. Guys. It's more of the rainbow. Look. It's a rainbow. Look at how pretty. Gotta think about that. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this because there is no pair. I lied. It's right here. Oh, I love it. Why do I love it? I don't know. Don't ask me. I just do. Okay. This is a vintage necklace. Some of these are really bad condition, but some of them are stone. So I'm gonna harvest the ones I like. This is a pair of weird spidery looking earrings. Oh, I didn't get it in frame. This pendant, I will keep this. Earring. Earring. Here's the pair to that other one that I'm gonna harvest. Let's see. I will also, I'm going to harvest these beads. And, ooh, cute feather pin. So I'm going to collect up all of these white plastic flower beads because they are mine. Let's see. Okay. So the rest of this is old, worn out beads. These metal ones are, they have some damage. I'm not going to keep them. They're not in great condition. I don't like putting those with my pieces. Here's a little dangle earring. We'll put that as a dangle. Oh, look what. It's a little mini one of these. I think that's it. Okay, that's all I got for you today. Bye.